And we are back for one more video. Last time we completed episode number 106 and 107. And since in the video previous to that, Symbol was defeated. So in the last video, Piccolo ordered Trampoline to kill the person that defeated Symbol. So now Trampoline came here and now he is fighting Goku and Yajirobe. Yajirobe did evade Goku for some time, but Goku has the Dragon Ball thingy, the Dragon Radar. So he came to Yajirobe pretty quickly, and now we will be seeing a fight between Goku and Trampoline, a rematch. Now Goku is more powerful that he has eaten something. He also had a little fish breakfast type right before some time. So yeah, he is going to fight now. And on the other hand, Master Roshi is collecting Dragon Balls on Dragon Balls. He already has 3 Dragon Balls. Goku has 1 Dragon Ball. So our team already has 4 Dragon Balls. Piccolo only has 1 Dragon Ball. So currently we are in the lead. We have 4 and Piccolo has 1. There are remaining 2 Dragon Balls. Even if Piccolo has all 2 of them, he only has 3 and we have 4. So we are already in the lead with Piccolo. But I really think that if Tambourine keeps on fighting Goku, then Master Roshi is going to collect all the balls. Only 2 are remaining. So he collected 3 balls in 2 episodes. So he can collect more 2 balls in just 1 or 2 episodes. So we will get to see at the end of this video if Master Roshi has all the 5 balls or not, because he only has to collect 5 balls. One is with Goku and one is with Yumi. So let's hop into the episode and see if Goku defeats Trampoline and what happens. If Goku defeats him, then Piccolo has to spawn a new monster, new henchman in order to get his things done, because I don't really think that old Piccolo can do anything. So yeah, let's just get back into the episode. Episode number 108. Let's go. So I guess that they got the 3rd ball from the baby and now they are on to the 4th. Let's go.
I hear you saved my turtle.
Who are you?
I'm Master Roshi, the turtle hermit.
Why is he getting flashbacks of
A
Goku?
small boy who
Is Goku going to die?
Gohan was my grandpa.
Why the flashbacks of
Who
Goku?
is this?
Hi, my name is Krillin. It's an honor to meet you. I've traveled all the way from a small village in the east. I want to be your pupil and learn the secrets of martial arts. It's flashing.
With any
Why
luck,
is it
that's the
going like a
monster who
snake?
Destroyed Krillin.
If it is, I have a feeling that's where we'll find Goku.
Mm-hmm. If he's alive.
He is alive. And I don't really think that that is the ball that Goku has, because it was moving and Yajirobe is not moving. So they are not anywhere near us. काय झालं? अबे हा तेच तर म्हटलं. पहिले स्पीड नव्हती झाले, तेच तर बोलून राहिलो होतो त्याची ओरिजिनल स्पीड नाही म्हणून. आता तर भाऊले दिसूनही नाही राहिला तो. घे रे बाबू, आता मारून दाखव. याले म्हणते आफ्टर इमेज, याले म्हणते स्पीड. बाबू गचकला एक्का याच्या. करून टाक बोट्याले खतम. दाखव त्याले त्यात किती पावर आहे. अक्कल नाही आपण पावर आहे. झालं. अरे 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 अरे. झालं. मारला काय? मेला रे वा. अबे आता डायरेक्ट पिकोलो येते म्हणून त्याचा रिकॅप दाखवला होता.
Oops, looks like I stopped too soon.
हो ना तर काय रे काय
Unbelievable. How could we, the warrior tribe, be beaten by you?
अबे तेल खाया.
Pathetic human.
Power pole extend!
झालं बाबू आता तू किती दूर पळे काही कुठे जाऊ नाही शकत तू.
Gah!
अरे हाय
Nay!
हा झालं आता बाबू तू म्हटलं ना तुले. झालं हाय मेला समजते गेला गेला टेम्पोरीने गेला. टेम्पोरीन गेला टेम्पोरीन गेला. अरे 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 मंगरी बाबू आता तू स्वतः जाशील का
What kind of
अंडा
creature is out there that
टाकशील.
could defeat these people?
I'm not sure I want to know, sir.
Listen,
Yes?
take this vessel to wherever Symbol and Tambourine were killed. I'll destroy this new adversary myself.
तुला जमते बुड्या म्हातारा किती झालाय तू. आता काय झालं काय झालं त्याले
Master.
पडला होता का खाली. अबे अबे
One,
पया लवकर
3, 4, 5. Hey, it's the
म्हटलं ना
six-star
6 स्टार
ball.
बॉल
We did it.
6 आणि 7 दोनच
All we
बाकी.
need are
आता
3 more.
एकच राहिला आहे फक्त 7
This
स्टार.
was way too easy.
पाय आहे का जवळपास.
Call me when you catch someone, okay? I'll give you the ball then.
Huh?
आला जवळ आहे काय.
Goku, did you hear what I just said?
Ugh! It's right on us. The Dragon Ball is right around here somewhere.
हा पोहोचले काय.
Here!
You
Abe.
need another Dragon Ball?
Above!
अरे हाय पोहोचले.
What's that? It's not like any bird I've seen.
एक नंबर. चला रे वा गोकू वर्सेस किंग पिकोलो.
The Turtle Hermit's greatest fear has been realized. King Piccolo has found Goku first. Can Goku survive against such an overwhelmingly powerful adversary?
Babu.
Find out on the next action-packed adventure of Dragon Ball.
So now we have completed episode number 108 and there are not many ways that the next episode can go because now Piccolo is here. Now Goku and Yajirobe together can or may not be able to defeat him because as Master Roshi said that he is more powerful. So either there may be two things. Either Goku can defeat him because Master Roshi can't comprehend the power of Goku. Whenever Goku defeats opponent, Master Roshi is always, oh, how powerful is Goku? That's how his reaction is every time. He knows that Goku is very powerful. He literally said that his power is not like a normal human being. His power, his whatever it is, it's monstrous. And it took his whole power to defeat even send TN even do TN unconscious. So he is quite very powerful. And now he also has Yajirobe same power as him. So it's double the power of Goku. So I really think that Goku is not going to lose the fight with King Piccolo. And even if he does, and now let's discuss about what if he does lose. So if he loses the fight with, because Piccolo is not alone, he also has Pilaf and his things, his materials, his machines, Pilaf and his machines to engage in other ways, like distract them or make their energy deteriorate or by fighting with them and like that. So if in case Goku gets defeated, I don't think that Goku will. And also, Master is only one ball is left in the universe now, because Master Roshi has 4 balls, Goku has 1, and King Piccolo has 1. So total 6 balls. Only 1 ball is left, and there are more chances that Master Roshi is going to target the nearest ball, and I think that the nearest ball that Master Roshi would see is the Goku's ball, because Goku and Piccolo's ball, because on Piccolo's radar Goku's ball was straight and Master Roshi's was just near, Tirpa, diagonally. So I don't know what Tirpa is in cricket, whatever. So on his radar it was showing only the 2 sets of balls and not the 7th ball. So I really think that if Master Roshi focuses on the nearest ball to him, he is going to come here and then they can all fight together. And when Piccolo is defeated, then they can go and find the 7th ball, and then they can do whatever they want to do with the balls. And is Piccolo defeated so easily? Then what about the young character that I have seen till now in photos? The young Piccolo, youthful Piccolo, because he did look young, just young, but almost like King Piccolo. Is he another character like son of King Piccolo, Prince Piccolo or something? The one that I have saw in pictures, because I have always seen him as Piccolo, not as King Piccolo. So now that I think of it, I think that he might be some son or brother or something else, because he is only Piccolo and not King Piccolo. So I think that King Piccolo gets defeated now, and we are going to revive everybody using the Dragon Balls. So let's just hop into the next episode and see what happens next. Episode number 109. Let's go. Babu, Goku,
King Piccolo, we have arrived at our destination.
Wow. Who is King Piccolo?
No, Mai! That's the switch for the exterior speaker!
Oh no!
Abe!
I'm sorry to disturb you, but you asked to be notified as soon as we arrived.
Very good.
That name?
तीन बाहेर टाकून दिलो
I
आवाज.
think
वाह.
I've heard it somewhere before.
हा?
King
कोण रे बा?
Pickup, whatever
अबे
you
याची
do, it sounds
हिस्ट्री
like
आहे
you're
पिकोलो
speaking
सोबत.
to the
वाह.
monsters who've been after the Dragon Balls.
If I remember correctly, I've heard his name mentioned in my village. I believe it was in a story I was told once.
अरे बेकार.
I remember. Here, Goku.
Huh?
You can have it. It's all yours. Take
अबे
it.
हाय घाबरला. अबे तू त्याच्या माणसाला मारलं ना. पिकोलोच्या माणसाला मारलं नाही का तू?
But Yajirobe, the leader, might taste best of all.
Oh, I'm stuffed. I couldn't eat another bite. No room.
But just a minute ago, you were starving.
I lost my appetite. Bye.
अबे एवढा डेंजर आहे का पिकोलो?
Wonder what's gotten into him?
काय चालू आहे? अबे म्हातारा लय झालाय का पिकोलो?
Well,
एवढा पॉवरफुल असेल काय?
The ground. There's somebody down there. He must be the one who killed Symbol and Tambourine.
पिला
Just a
तू
moment to land
तू
the
तू
plane
त्याले
and destroy him.
No, don't bother.
तू त्याले पाहून मुतून देशील. तू राहू दे. तू जाऊ नको खाली. तू पाहूही नको त्याच्याकडे.
Anyone but him. It's impossible. He's supposed to be dead.
Who is it?
Who else? It's that same brat who always keeps me away from the Dragon Balls.
अशी कशी अनइक्वल्ड आहे.
come here.
बेकार भाऊ फ्लोट करू शकते.
You'll pay for all the pain you've caused my friends.
He's quick.
भाऊ म्हाताऱ्या पिकोलो. अरे 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 बेकार. काय झालं? डॉज नाही करू शकत काय? अय पुढे डॉज नाही करू शकत. भाऊचा पुरा फोकस बॉलवर आहे. पोट्यावर लक्ष दे रे बा, बॉलवर नको देऊ लक्ष.
You are the reason I have exterminated the martial arts
Thumbnail
society.
भेटला.
Anyone with your level of skill.
कपडे काय काढून राहिला बे म्हातार तोंड्या. कपडे घाल वापस.
You have such great strength. I shall do my absolute best
काही
to
विषय
try
नाही.
to keep
ये
up.
ये कमान कमान. धनुष्यबाण.
Let's go.
Let's
I've waited
go.
for this moment a very long
हा रे बा
time.
मी वेट करू राहिलो. लवकर मार झाले पटकन आता. काय करू राहिला? काय केलं डोळ्यातून? काय होऊ राहिलं हे? चालू काय आहे? का पाजला काय तो? वास येऊ राहिला काय? काय होय हे? ना आग आहे ना वाफ आहे ना
What's going on?
समजून नाही राहिलं काय होय हे?
Can't move.
काय चालू काय आहे? जमते गोकू, यू कॅन डू इट. चल रे जोर लगा के हैशा. चल रे भोपळा टुनुक टुनुक. गेला बाबू. अरे बेका कम दिली त्याला अशी पटकन ठेवून. लय व्हिज्युअली हे होत ते अनसीएबल. माहित नाही काय म्हणत त्याला.
Nice. You're still alive. I was hoping this would last a good while.
थांब थांब.
I'm feeling fine.
अजून गोकुळ पावर आहे. येते गोकुळ. अरे अरे एवढं काय ते कचक 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 करला. की मारली असती चालली. पॅनकेक खायला बनवाला. तू सोडणं झाले हातातून. अरे रे अजून तुझ्याच बोर्ड जास्त जोरात दमणार आहे. त्याच्या अंडाईवर मारला का त्यानं.
So, you still have some fight left in you.
मग बाबू गोकू आहे ना तो. काय बा पळून जाईल. अरे काहीच नाही होणार ना कोणत्याही दगडाच्या मागे. तू काय नाही होणार दगडाच्या मागे.
Don't come towards me!
गोकू थोडा फोकस कर रे. फोकस कर थोडा. आफ्टर इमेज वगैरे बनव काही. लय मार खाऊ राहिला बिचारा.
It's about time we say goodbye, boy.
काही डोकं लावून काम नाही करत काही नाही. म्हणजे असं वाटते का भाऊला काळजीच नाही काही क्रिलिनची बदला घ्यायची. नुसतं स्वतः एवढा स्वार्थी आहे.
Quickly running out of options. Alone and without a usable technique, can Goku defend himself against a mighty King Piccolo?
बिलकुल नाही.
Or is this really the end? Find
End
out
है.
next time on Dragon Ball.
And Piccolo is here. A fight between Piccolo and Goku has started, but Goku has eaten So he is strong, but still he is not able to beat Piccolo. I did say when we first started, I mean when the arc of Piccolo started, I did say that Goku can easily defeat his henchman, but he won't be able to defeat Piccolo, because if you are introducing new villain, the villain has to be more powerful than the main character. Because if the main villain just gets defeated right away, then there is no point in introducing him. So the villain will defeat the hero first, and then hero will upgrade his power level, and then he will go back and then defeat the villain. That's how everything goes. So yeah, I think that. But now if Piccolo is fighting Goku, and if Goku doesn't defeat Piccolo, then Piccolo is going to kill him. He is not going to leave him alive. So then how is the story going to go further? Is Goku going to die right here, right now? Or will Master Roshi come in the right time, and then Tien would use the confinement ray, because he was very afraid of that confinement wave, something like that name, and Tien was more focused on that wave, and Master Roshi was afraid to use that because it took life of his master, so he didn't want it to use that. So what was it? And Tien also said that there might be something else more behind the confinement ray, the history behind it. So we have to look at that too. What else is Master Roshi hiding? And yeah, let's see in the next video what happens now. If King Piccolo kills Goku, what happens if Goku is dead? Then, because if they all are going to team Master Roshi, I mean team Bulma and all them, they are going to revive everybody, every martial artist that is dead at once, because that's what they said. I think so, if it is possible, and if not, they will have to collect the Dragon Balls every year and make a wish every year and bring every one of them back. And 7 of them are dead currently, including Krillin. That would be 8. So total 8 years that will be, then time jump of 8 years. That's what will happen if the story goes according to what I am saying. And if Goku dies, then he will have to power up. If he comes back to life, will that increase his power? I don't know that. So let's just meet in the next video and see what happens if he kills Goku, if Goku defeats Piccolo, if Master Roshi comes and helps Goku. What's going to happen? Let's see in the next video. Bye bye and enjoy.